Hello friends, welcome to ASV Max and Dynamic YouTube channel. I am Sebastian. Today I am going to explain about the relation and functions, CBSC 12th grade, first chapter. So please all of you watch my full video. Definitely you will get a good understanding. And also before watching this video, please all of you subscribe and like. Then only you will get my continuous videos. Okay, let me come to explain. What is a particular relation in 12th grade? What in the relation, what are the concepts you are going to study? Means only three, particularly three: reflexive, symmetric, transitive. So what is the relation? Before reflexive, symmetric, transitive, please you have to understand relation is we need to make it from the possibilities. Possibilities means you need two sets or only one set. Again you need to do the multiplication with the set, then you will get it some possibilities. So this is the possibilities. After getting possibilities you can get it. It is a relation. The relation is some condition you will get it. I will show in the question paper or questions. Okay, first a reflexive relation. So what you want to do, you have to take one element. That means here the same image, the same guy, you have to take the two values. It is your selection, and that means in the two numbers you have to substitute in the relation how they are framing. In the two numbers satisfy this condition, you can tell reflexive relation is satisfying in the particular relation. This is only you are going to explain, or you are going to find it. Symmetric. Here what you want to do, you have to select two elements. The two elements, first element A means second element B. Then the opposite, the first element B means second element A. So likewise you have to select, then substitute in the condition. Here I am giving the real stories, but how you want to understand in the problem means you have to take two elements. The two elements you have to substitute in the relation. That means A comma B, you are taking one relation. In the relation you are going to satisfy some condition. The condition I will show you in the question. After that the condition is satisfying means please you change the element. First B, then second A, you substitute in the condition. It will satisfy this condition means you can tell A comma B also satisfying, as well as B comma A also satisfying, means it is a symmetric relation. Then transitive means you have to take three elements. You have to take three elements? First you have to take it two elements. This is A comma B. For example, A is 2, then B is 4, then this element B 4, then C is another one element 5. After that you can take here 2 means here C 5 means in this 2 comma 5 also satisfy the relation how they are making the condition. In the condition each the pair of elements satisfy this condition. The pair of elements satisfy the condition, the pair of elements satisfy condition means now you can tell about this relation is transitive. So come to the point. Equivalent relations. The equivalent relation means when any function satisfying the three types, reflexive, symmetric, and transitive, you can call another name is equivalence relation. Here, suppose they didn't meet the principal or doctor means they are simply standing, but they didn't allow means it is not functioning. Because they want to meet the principal or doctor. So this process completed means you can call it is a free image. And also here they are waiting, they want to meet one doctor means instead of they are thinking to meet the doctor as well as they want to go to another place means it is not possible in the function. The same in the person, the element, it is not possible to meet at the same time another one, and also here one more, it is not possible. Otherwise the both doctor they cannot come to the conclusion. So what do you want to do, they want to go to meet the one particular guy. This is the process. Sir, it is my wish, I will go anywhere means it is a relation, not a function. Okay, it is a not a function means the domain value only one image. Suppose in the domain it has two image means in the particular time two images means it is not a function, and also one more free image is extra means it is not a function. Two ways you can tell it is not a function. So one-to-one function, here you see some books are here, the staffs are there. So here each subject here on school, it is a functioning. So in the English subject means one teacher he will come to take class. Then maths means one teacher is come to take class. Physics means one take. Chemistry means one teacher. History means one teacher. Then literature means you can literature, it is separately, it has one teacher, but the literature one teacher, the teacher has two images, not a matter. But here literature only one image. Then geography only one, means it is a function, but we need to derive it one-to-one function. Means here English means only one teacher, okay, maths means only one teacher, physics means only one teacher, chemistry means only one teacher, history means only one teacher, literature means only one teacher, geography means only one teacher. This is the way you can think about it. If you get it, means it is a function. Okay, come to the definitions. What you want to do, you have to take two elements. Listen, English and maths you can take, then you have to substitute in the function here senior secondary one school. So in the senior secondary one school means English, definitely one English teacher you must be, they will appoint. Then maths teacher means definitely one math teacher in the school is available. So right now you are going to check it, the two. So two values you are taking from the domain, then you are checking in the function. F of x1 equal to f of x2 means here the first is the English, means in the function it is f of x1, it is f of x2. The both are how they become equal, means they are teachers. The name I am mentioning, the name is different, but finally they are teacher. They are teacher means, come to the point, the English and maths are different, but they are, here it is a book, the book is equal. Then here their teacher is equal. So this is the meaning one-to-one function. On to means, listen, here the symbols are here. Here the wife means husband. Then child means child, also one teacher is there. Mother also one teacher is there. But child is one pre-image, mother is one pre-image. But here the child one image is there, mother one image is there. But a teacher, they have two pre-images, means not a matter. But here also you can listen. The on-to function, how you can define here, how many domain codomain elements are there. The codomain element should be connect with one pre-image, and also some images has more than one, means it is a onto, but it should be completed. The codomain become a range, and also one or two images has more than one pre-images, mean it is a onto. Then into means in the codomain. Listen here, in the element, it doesn't have the pre-image, means, but here it is there. Other elements, other codomain elements connected with the pre-images, but owner doesn't have the pre-images. These are the cases into function in the particularly codomain. But here look at it, first it is function or not, because here every pre-images it has only one image, so it is a into. So here come to the point, you have to identify. You have to identify how you can able to identify the functions. Please, you have to understand. Come to the point. One example I am going to explain. This is the set A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right now, from the problem you have to understand. A relation, they are making R in this R, relation R in the set A. From the A you can make it. But the A, how we can make it? A into A only we can make it. So you are going to take the element from here, but your actual relation what? Here. So right now, the condition is y is divisible by x. Likewise, you have to take a elements from here to the particular relation. This is your relation. Okay. Reflex means what I told you. You have to take one element here. It is your choice. Two. If I took the two, take a two means here it is a two. Reflex means you have to take one more two. The 2 comma 2 is a relation. How you have to think about it here. Y value how much? 2 is divisible by 2 means, yeah, it is possible. Y divisible by 2 means it is possible. So here it is satisfying. Only one relation is enough. Okay, reflex is satisfying. Then symmetric means you have to take two elements. Right now I am going to take 2 comma 4. It is my selection. I told you any one satisfying means you can tell it is a satisfying in the relation. But the function everyone satisfy. Suppose one point is not satisfying means in the function it's not possible. So here relation 2 comma 4. Right now your a is 2. That means x is 2. then y is 4. Okay, 4 is divisible by 2. Okay, it is satisfying, so that the 2 comma 4 is possible. Okay, you rewrite reciprocal. Right now you are going to write it, 2 comma 2 is divisible by 4. So 2 divisible by 4 means it will come 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 only you are getting. So you have to divisible means fully you have to divisible. But here it is not possible, because divisible means completely you have to divise. But here in the 2 comma 4 is possible. That means 4 divisible 2 is possible. But 2 divisible 4 is not possible. So that the symmetric is not satisfying. Okay, another one. Here I am going to take 2 4 6. Okay, I am going to check it in the condition. First one, 2 comma 4 already satisfying, then 4 comma 2 not satisfying, you understood. Then it is not satisfying. Even you can check it, 6 by 2 satisfying, but 2 by 6 not satisfying, so it is not a transitive, so only satisfying the reflexive only. So these are the condition you can check it in the relation. Even here, listen, relation are the set integer, you can take it here, the values are given, but here they have given only set all integer defined. Right now you are going to take two elements, it is your choice, even negative something you can take it. Right now I am taking x equal to -1, y equal to 2. So you have to substitute in the case -1, -2, -3. -3 is integer or not integer? Okay, right now my reflexive I need, so that I am going to take it reflexive wise. So -1 comma -1 I am taking. So -1, then minus of -1 plus 1. So -1 plus 1 0. So 0 is integer. Okay, satisfying. Then 1 comma 2 I am taking, because symmetric I want to derive means only particular what are the values you need. This is only you can verify, no need to take all elements. Reflexive means same element you have to take it. Symmetric means 1 comma 2 I am taking, but you can take it different values. 1 comma 2, 1 minus 2, in the value is -1, yeah, it is integer. Okay, satisfying. So 1 comma satisfying. Okay, 2 comma 1, 2 minus 1, wow, 1, it is also integer, satisfying. Okay, and then symmetric satisfying. So right now I am going to take it three values. So 1 comma 3 comma 5. So 1 comma 3 you substitute here, 1 comma 3 means it is -2, it is integer. Okay, I am going to check it, 3 comma 1 it is a 2. You can substitute here 2, it is satisfying. Okay, then now I am going to check it, because translative means 1 comma 3, then again I want to check it 3 comma 5. Sorry, not 3 comma 1, 3 comma 5. So 3 you can substitute 5. So 3 minus 5 means -2, integer. Okay, right now I am going to verify 1 comma 5. 1 5 means 1 minus 5 minus 4, it is integer. So right now it is satisfying reflexive, symmetric, transitive, so it is a equivalent relation. Likewise you have to define every problems. Then function. Here look at the condition is very important when you are substituting function or finding function, means very careful where your domain, where your range, it is very very important. Okay, now come to the point, x squared. So from here I can take the value from n only. So right now I am going to substitute x equal to 1. What is my value? It is, listen, I am going to substitute 1 means my value is x squared is equal to how much? 1. Then my value is 1. Then I am taking 2, my value is 4. I am taking 3 from here only 3, so my value is 9. Right now it is 1 to 1, it is satisfying. Right now you have to check it, how it is possible. Then -1 it is possible, you are going to take -1. Here no, -1 not possible, so that you are taking 1 means it is values there, 2 means value is there, 3 means value is there. Okay, now 1 to 1 satisfying. Likewise, now you have to check it from here to the onto function, means from here you can take one value, it is n. Right now I am going to take 3. Here the value how you can write it means, yeah, you are going to take 3 means it is, go back, 3 means the value is 3. You have to find it, x squared is equal to 3. So x value how much? Plus or minus 3 it will come. Plus or minus not possible in the n, so that it is not satisfying on 2. So 1 to only satisfying. Likewise you have to understand. So in the set where to where you are taking, very important. R to R it is a good one, but you have to listen carefully. So once you see the videos I will solve the problem also in the future. Thanks so much.